On the 26th of June, we attended Thokoza Job Creation Indaba at Semtuli Stadium. We spoke to the organizers, stakeholders, and attendees. Please watch, listen, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Culturas Media.
We are also here to assist them to give them the experience. You ready? Yeah.
Can we have your email address?
Host abhetha usoyiphoyisa mhlambe kuphume something ku-metro ehambelana nalento oyifundele uziphushe phambili ngena noma ngaba ufuna ulahlele awazi ukuthi lenzakalani kusasa. Ngicela ukuthi ningalahli ithemba abantwana basekhaya, ngicela ukuthi ningalahli ithemba. Ngiyabonga.
E ka ba ke utlwa hantle a le a opa diatla hantle ke le piteng hape re a leboha. Kgwedi ena ke kgwedi ya batjha e ntse e le youth month. Jwale ka ausi Sanda sa buile lebitso la ka ke Kobedi Mokgeseng, ke moqoqotsi wa ditaba hana mona he sepoleseng sa mmasepala wa Ekurhuleni. Nna ntho e ke e kopang he ke hore le tsebe hore le o kae kajeno, le thuswa ke bomang. Re ho motse toropo o bitswang ka hore ke Ekurhuleni. Ekurhuleni ke lebitso la Setsonga le bolelang moo re nang kgotso. Rona jwale ka re le thusa re etsa ntho e bitswang ka hore ke service delivery. Re bana ba mona lapeng, ha re nkwa kae kapa kae, re tseba mathata le boima bo batjha le batho ba baholo ba shebaneng le bona. Taba ya pele ya bohlokwa, ha ke modumedi empa ha o ka qala wa hlompha mmao le ntatao, tsiu tsa bophelo di tla eketseha lefatsheng leo phelang ho lona. Re le batjha tje hore ntho tsa rona di kganye di tswelle, a ke re fokotseng ho dithethefatsi, re fokotseng ho jwala makampela. Ha re ka hlompha batswadi ba rona, ra tseba moo re tswang.
Dumelang, ka lebitso ke Refile wa Hamofokeng, and today we are hosting our first annual job creation indaba. This is an event that is mainly supposed to assist the youth and come with solutions to unemployment and entrepreneurship. By entrepreneurship, I'm talking about my SMEs, businesses that are struggling to register, struggling to start. And unemployment, we are targeting unemployed graduates and unemployed people as a whole. We are trying to dissect and decode how we can bypass these systems that are gatekeeping the employment yethu as youth. Thokoza. So this is our first annual event. That means we're going to have another one next year, same time, same place, with better solutions and new faces. Because Lava Ebeza today, we are hoping they're all going to get employed or get funding from our businesses as well.
So, what prompted to you to have this event today?
Youth Month. We wanted to do something for Youth Month that shows abantu, or that shows people in high places that we are an active youth and we are really trying we are youth as Amayo by all means to get these opportunities and to source out these opportunities. Hence, we decided to have this event of this magnitude because this is the primary problem behind crime, primary problem behind pregnancy, primary problem behind a lot of economic issues that we are facing today as the community.
And to the youth that is not here today, what would you like to say to them?
So start attending these events, start networking with people, start building relationships with people because you don't know uban next to you that can open a door for you. So let's start engaging with each other and engaging with our problems that we have got, or engaging with solutions at the end. So we are really hoping when this event ends, we're going to have solutions to the problems that we are currently facing.
Sibong, one last put, it's not even a question for the parents who've got kids who are graduate, who are unemployed. Just as a message for them.
Abantwana benu ba frustrated. We are a really frustrated generation, and si frustrated ukuthi akhona amaphepha. There is compliance, there is qualifications, there are opportunities, but there is gatekeeping. So as umzali, support igoal yomntwana, support iphupho lakhe, iphupho alifu umnikazi asaphila. So for as long as your child is trying, push them. Abazali need to learn to be a support system yabantwana babo before they can even go outside. If endlini bakuseka, ngaphandle mabakuseka, it's going to feel as normal and as natural as it can feel. Thank you.
Sabona Prasabza kunjani?
Ngiyaphila ngezwe wena.
Ngiyaphila Prasabza. Prasabza, ngibona ula esemntuli stadium namhlanje. Kwenzakalani Prasabza lana?
Yabona lana mfethu it's Thokoza Job Youth Indaba.
Yeah.
Kushuthi youth la iyakhala ukuthi ihambile ezikolweni, maye ezikolweni yathola ama degrees, mayicela uthola ama degrees seyihleli futhi phansi, yabo? Yeah, and at the end of the day abazali bazokukhalela ukuthi uhambile wayofunda mawubuya uhleli nje. Yabona? Because our government, I don't know what's wrong now. Yeah, because a lot of stuff they are being misled, misplaced, because everyone mawuthi uyabheka. Ngisho no minister himself wakhuluma amagama abuhlungu ukuthi CV fanele kuyithathe. Uyise la kufanele kuye khona CV. Ungahlala kanjani ne CV ufundile. Yabona? And a lot of stuff now, I don't know, they're going back. Yeah, so now abanye abantu baze bathuke ukuthi ngani bongcono lemuva. La siyakhona phambili ngathi is a bit bad, but we say there's a second chance in life. Yeah.
And so njengoba namhlanje I understand la around eKasi youth bewubusy nayo bewufundisa iacting namhlanje njengoba balala njengoba kuze labantu abalala ama stakeholders abanye babuya ka government. Ucabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe yini into abazoyishiya nale youth ekhala ngemisebenzi ukuthi ayisebenzi?
Firstly, ukukhuluma kwami into engayidinga nje ukuthi bathathe idatha yabantwana. Babheke ukuthi abantwana basically bayenzani. And then abantwana into abazenzayo, if kune opportunity, ababathathe babafake. Yeah, so that kubonakale ushintsho after this. Because into esilwa nayo nje kuphela ushintsho. Ayikho into esingalwa nayo ukudlula leyo. Njengathina ama-artists sesiyazi thina nje. My artist, you are on your own. Black, you are on your own.
Okay.
Yeah, because artists, they don't even care about them. Mabakubizile bazothi hayi asinakudla asinamali. And then when you've got kids, abantwana fanele badle. Yeah. But laba abanye abanye chance ongena ku marketing, computer and other stuffs. Let them do that. That's what we're crying about only. Yeah.
Then again, last question sesiyayivala
Ivala.
Just nje ukuthi ke Prasabza a message kulabo bangekho la or mhlamba bafuna bakhuthaza ukuthi banga give up, mhlamba basasenethemba abanganazandla mhlamba banaso leso skill leyo ubakhuthaze nje ukuthi bangaphela umoya.
What I can say, uNkulunkulu siphila izandla siphila inyawo siphila lokhuza khona abane abahleli kuma wheelchair khona bazalwe banjalo and they're running. I've got a group, I'm not disabled. I'm sorry to say that, but it's disability.
Yeah.
But I was there watching their drama. Yeah, they were dancing, they were acting. And there's a story. Esiwan abafuna ukuthi basenze. Ukuthi umzali angabi namahloni if umntanami a disable. Ngoba bayabavalela, and at the end of the day babavalela, they can't express themselves. So ngithi thina esiphila let us express them ourselves. And I told a stadium, same too. Besineyitala ezebhola, besineyitala ezama-athletics, besineyitala esazi ukuthi lo muntu mangena 100 meter yakhe. Mangena ebholweni namagole wakhe. You know what I mean? So now we're trying to revive that spirit. Yeah, you just look at the kid and then look back umntana ukuthi ume kanjani, hayi lo mntana unetalent bona uyambona. Nurture that child. Umkade futhi umbonile mathi uphuma endleleni buya ngapha wena.
Yeah.
Yabona. So that's what I can say. As many and then we go on. That's what I can say.
Sibonge Prasabza, sibonge Prasabza.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sanibonani guys, okhuluma nani uNaledi. Bengizofuna umsebenzi.
Bathi
Thokoza.
bathini?
Hello guys, Kibitumelo Abua, Kimonana, Semtuli Stadium, King Holo. Yeah, Kitilimonana for youth development. Youth development. So, enjoy expecting Relibacha, Bamotokoza, Harato Mokaholo, Ritoriba Hore, Caparina Letepe, at least Retafonelum, Sebeti Kuonana, Capa something Yanakina, Ritli CV, everything I want to read, Remetefella go ahead.
Thank you, Auswaka. Sabona Pride kunjani?
Khona njani?
Ngiyaphila. Pride ngicela usitshele kabanzi ukuthi namhlanje kwenzakalani lana?
Ithokoza senza ithokoza youth indaba. So sifuna ukuthi sazi ukuthi ama graduate angathola umsebenzi bizama department njengaba NYDA, Standard Bank, abosasol ukuthi ama graduate yethu lawa ngasebenzi bangawacasha kanjani. And then nama company lawa ama SMMEs la around Thokoza sifuna ukuthi sibayenze kwa comply and then sibacele stipend ku NYDA.
And I turn out youth njengoba kunibize youth namhlanje the event mhlawumbe youth ingaba iphuma la eThokoza kuphela or from nakwamanye amalokishi like aboKatlehong.
I-focus area bekuyithokoza per se, but because of uyazi mawukhuluma ngomsebenzi kuza everybody and angeke umqoshe uyabo ufuna accommodate everybody okhona, but i-focus bekuyithokoza.
And ngibona like lama companies ke la othi because ngibonile amanye a-displayile around a-display izinto zawo, so already seni-createile leyo database for ama-local business. If seni-createile mhlawumbe omunye umuntu orun ibhizinisi uregister kanjani uba kanjani kuleyo database yenu aze kini mhlawumbe ukuthi azoncedakala ngalezi zinto othi nifuna ukuzinceda for amanye amabhizinisi?
Angithi osingam-accommodatanga la, this is not the first and the last. Sisazwenza amanye amalona because of akuzanga everybody onama-business la around the Thokoza. So sifuna ukuthi labana ama-business la eThokoza beze bonke so that ukuthi bayenzakala. It is a township economy. Sizwela ekudeni ayenzakala la eThokoza, so sifuna ukuthi ibe la eThokoza kakhulu. So that ukuthi nathi sikhombe ukuthi eThokoza naba abantu bayahlomula ku township economy.
Okay, abanama business abafuna ukuba involved ukuphatheka next time masenenza izinto bacontactana kanjani nani mhlawumbe?
Bangeza kimi office.
I-office lakho likuphi? Isikhathi
from 9 to 4.
Danke, siyabonga Pride. Yeah. Sure bafethu. Sure my gents. Sure my gents. Yeah my gents. Sure my gents. Yeah. Sure.
No, not even. Not like you.
bafethu kwambani nizwenzani la
Top creation indaba mfethu yabona sithi youth la sithi K mfethu yabona sithi zothola information about izinto zabo masitha yabona NYDA stuff like that ngaphezulu kwaloko sithi sibakane entertainment yabo mfethu umusmoka manje sizophila ze stage Christ BC the flop in the building is about
Hola bafethu ngiyabonga majensi sisonke majensi hola oy
Sanibonani, this is Undlunkulu Xolo Mkhonza, the woman behind Thokoza Job Creation Indaba.
yini into ekwenza ukuthi uqale le job creation indaba my sister?
Okay, at first it was a token of appreciation because ngike ngaba stranded nginama employees but ngingenandawo yokusebenzela. So when I come to Thokoza, they made it sure that they give me offices for my employees ukuthi ngisebenze kahle. So I told them ukuthi first project engizoyenza I'm going to assist also my business abakhona around Thokoza and unemployed youth. Then today I'm keeping the promise.
Yeah. Ukuthi ubuyile vele.
Ngibuyile, I'm here at Thokoza and I will make it sure ukuthi i-youth ekhona la ngaphakathi if they submitile kahle izinto zabo, I will do follow up kuma attendance register and make sure ukuthi they get placement. Like ngizokwenza njengamandla monke ukuthi they get a placement through usizo le youth at work since they are here and also Yes for Youth.
So my sister igama le company yakho yini yenzani yona?
Cabanga ngoba kuthe nje kuseceleni ngabi we do films kodwa buka ukuthi senzani.
Oh nenza ama feelings.
Senza ama films like nje le ela I-out nje isuka from my heart.
Okay.
Nanokuthi ke from Dala Valley ngiyabathanda nje abantu abasha from nami ngisase vele ngisaphila ku-youth ke nami. Kade nje ngaqala ukubathanda and this is not my first event ekanje. I've been doing it at KZN. So ngithe let me try it eGoli and I didn't expect a response engaka. Kusho ukuthi ngampela abantu bawadinga amathuba omsebenzi and thina abantu we shouldn't wait for government ukuthi aqashe abantu. Let us create ama job opportunities. I believe ukuthi nami namhlanje kule number enginayo eofficeini I will add more. Maybe mhlambe ngizo-end up nginabasebenzi abangaphezulu kwale number enginayo. Yes.
And ke mama njengoba ukhuluma ngabantu ukuthi ninceda ama businesses ama small businesses mhlawumbe abanye abanama businesses who are not here mhlawumbe nabo bafuna ukuncedwa mhlawumbe izinto ukuthi mhlawumbe bathola ama funding bangaxhumana nawe kanjani?
Okay, they can just come to Thokoza communities. Is it Thokoza Triple C? Customer Service Center.
Yeah.
Bangaya lapho bafike bacele ulindelwa. She's my PA.
Okay.
And then she's gonna take ama details wabo uzodlulisela kimi ukuthi ubani ofikile.
Oh sibonga ke. So izithi mhlambe umuntu wala eThokoza kuphela or nabanye mhlambe bomakahle wonkozi phosphorus.
At this point because angifuni ukuba ufana nontaba kayikhonjwa abenza ama promises bengawagcini. Bengicela ukuthi ngiqede ngeThokoza then base sengibona ukuthi okay kufike la ngifuna ukuthi kufike khona then we can have another Katlehong job creation indaba. I don't mind.
Okay.
Yes.
Sibonga kakhulu siswami.
Thank you so much.
Sanibonani, lokhulumayo Murena Msimaka wase-Youth. I'm the key accounts officer khona. Namhlanje size la eThokoza, size for i-Youth Expo. We're here to create impact with their Thokoza to ensure that they grow and they also create impact with my businesses akhona la elokishini. I think the biggest thing is to make youth here to understand that umsebenzi is not only in corporate businesses or big businesses that are in towns and in big suburbs, but also Lokishin economy is very big. For them to focus on also creating their own businesses, becoming an entrepreneur, as well as also pushing local businesses. So if we want real employment with an impact, we have to start in Lokishin. We have to start by creating the Lokishin economy, ensure that we have a lot of businesses, because to be honest, we can't rely on government for it to bring changes. We also have to bring changes, and there's opportunities like Youth at Work. There's other platforms like your Youth.mobi where you can register so that you can see opportunities that are available on the youth employment services and other companies. But the biggest message for us for this June 16 or June month is that focus on local economy, focus on businesses that are local.
So youth at work, what's the main mandate or the core job of youth at work?
Youth at work is about creating impact. It's not about, it doesn't have necessarily mandate. It focuses on youth, it focuses on what, but for us it's to create impact in sense of we want majority of the youth, which one day will grow to be adults in South Africa, to be economically active and eradicate this unemployment rates that we see, because the unemployment rate is very high. I think youth, it's 35% to 40% that are currently unemployed, and that's a big number for us. So we're trying to reduce that, not only through employment, but also through opportunities like giving them a platform where they can create their own businesses, because we believe that the collaboration with businesses and local businesses will create that impact when it comes to eradicating unemployment.
So if I have a business, I need assistance, do I come to you? Maybe you will give me guidance or you can assist me?
Yeah, we do have programs where majority of our alumni are still benefiting from them, so that we grow businesses. So for us, what I can tell people out there is that just go to www.sayouthatwork.com www.sayouthatwork.com. That's where you will find our website. When you go through our website, it will give you a platform where if you're a business owner, you can register. If you are a youth, it says to you, click there to start your journey. And then immediately when you're clicking there, you're populating and submitting that form, you have created a moment where you're putting yourself in an opportunity where your life could change. Because what we believe in is that we realize potential and we then change lives. But without realizing potential, we can't change lives. And that step starts with you, with clicking at that link, searching for SA Youth at Work, and then creating that movement that puts you in that opportunity.
Sesivala ngibone lapho benisayinisa abantu bekhona abantu bebesayina bebasayina bebayenzani because youth ngibona youth.
Okay, so as I say, it's in us create impact, but we can't create impact alone. So today we were able to give at least 2 youth a contract under one of our funders, and then they'll be starting, their contract will be starting on the 1st of July, which they'll be on the program for 12 months, which they'll be getting minimum wages per the program criteria. So the only reason we were able to do that is because namhlanje we work on our local businesses who are willing to afford youth the opportunity of babasebenze. So if that lady or the BPT saloon wasn't here today, then those youth wouldn't be employed. So we're showing the dominoes effect of why is it important to have local businesses. Today 2 people have, at least if I can calculate it roughly, have 68,000 plus that they'll be getting in 12 months because of that business. So it's very important to push our businesses are local, to attend such events to ensure that they create impact for youth as a gas. Let it not only be that they're always looking for grants for the businesses, but let them create the impact for youth as a gas.
Sawubona Braupas kunjani?
Ngikhona kunjani Butwane?
Ngiyaphila Braupas. Braupas ngicela nje usixelele kabanzi ukuthi namhlanje njengoba silapha eSemtuli Stadium sibona neYouth bekwenzakalani ngale nyanga kaJuni kuYouth Month.
Okay, thank you very much. You said it quite very well that this is a Youth Month. So what was actually happening here today, it was a continuation of the government programs in ensuring that young people are capacitated with information so that they should know what is it that they should do. Remember, when we have proper information, we are able to take proper decisions. So what was actually happening here today, we have invited all government departments and other stakeholders that are involved in youth work to ensure that these young people have been given the necessary information. It was quite a very resounding success throughout the day here today, because young people now, they know exactly what is it that they should do. We had the registration online, you would say that these are my qualifications. that I'm having, and then we were then directed to a certain department that was going to help you. We were also having a Department of Labor, because at some point you would realize that young people are unable to write proper CVs.
Good day, guys. My name is Rebecca Rakoko, your newly crowned Miss Thokoza. I reside in Thokoza Station 2 and I am 16 years old. Today I came to this event because I wanted to support my sister and all the people around the community who came for job creation and being employed because they're tired of being employed.
So when my sister being here, uboneni yini into oyibonile namhlanje ku-interested and because ukhulunywa ngabantu abangasebenzi, wena uyasebenza, uyasebenza?
Ngiyafunda, I'm 16 years.
Okay.
Grade 11.
Ufunda kuphi?
Thabontsako.
So okay, njengoba bewulana ke yini into oyizwile mhlawumbe mabakhuluma nge-unemployment ne-youth, yini into ethe mabayikhuluma mhlawumbe oye wayizwa ukuthi yakuthinta or yakutoucha, or what can you take up?
Ngizwe ukuthi like bathi like me amafomu omsebenzi aphuma, some people bayenzela abantu bamakibo labo bangahlali la eThokoza instead whereby they're far away, mara like baconnectisa abantu laba babaziyo, they don't care about the people that they don't.
So wena njengoba umiss Thokoza ke i-reign yakho iqale nini phela nini?
Oh, iqale nge-16 nge-14 zaka February.
Yes.
And then it's going to end like next year when I crown another Miss Thokoza.
And njengoba Miss Thokoza uyini into obhizi ngayo currently mhlawumbe abanye abantu nabo ukuthi abafuna ukukusupport ukuthi Miss Thokoza mhlawumbe wala?
Oh, I want to do charity work, maybe give away pets for people who are in need, because like not all of us can afford them. And then I wanna
okay, i-charity. And yini i-charity mhlawumbe into oyithandayo, like what could be your favorite charity mhlawumbe to work with? Abantu abanjani mhlawumbe ongathanda ukusebenza nabo abanceda abantu?
Oh, abantu like abane low self-esteem that they can.
Okay.
Who are looking forward to modeling but they don't know how to start, or the parents don't believe in modeling, like they don't like modeling at all.
So wena ukhule vele ukuthanda ukumodela or into abavele baconvince nje maye?
No, I love modeling.
How long have you been doing it?
3 years now.
3 years. Okay. Miss Thokoza, please tell us about your future plans again, my sister.
I want to open a modeling academy, and then to teach young girls how to model and
Okay. Mhlawumbe the last message yakho nje, what would you like to say to abanye abantwana abathanda ukumodela or abanye abazali abanabantwana abathanda modeling?
I would say that in order for you to achieve your goals, you have to have trust, hope, and faith in yourself that you're gonna make it. Then try. Parents must support their children and listen to what their children want, and not force them to do what they want to do, because they don't make them to be happy.
Lina la ka ke na Lydia Mahakwe from Thokoza Media Group. Thokoza Media Group ke hona e rile gore le go nne go be le kopano re kopantse batho ba mebereko e ya tlhoganeng ka baka la gore e le kgwedi ya bana ya youth. Ra bona gore re dire differently this time, re batle batho ba ba tshwereng mebereko ya bana bo NYDA, we Yes for Youth, a lot of the organization table gore strictly ditila ka youth. Ra be re organize this event le some of other stakeholders tsa rona gore bana ba tle ba utlwe gore mebereko ba re ga mebereko ga e gona, mebereko ke mentši ga fela o itswa ka mo ntlong o hunter. So batho ba tshwanela gore ba ba leng teng Thokoza community, Thokoza in large, everyone guys a re tsweng ka mo mantlong a re kopaneng, kopano ke maatla. Ha re kopaneng mo kopanong ya rona re le ke go tlhakantsha dikelello ka gore a bona gore re mo nakong e boima baswa a se gore ba ya di-drugseng ka baka la gore ba rata baswa ha se gore ba tswafa ke ka lebaka la gore re na le bothata ba gore re leka leadership re leka gape ka di-mentorship ke kgopela gore community please ka moka ga rena a re emeleleng re nyakeng bokamoso jwa bana ba because youth is our future. Let's work together as the community, as the South African gore re bone gore ke tsela mang e re ka itholang gore re be le bophelo bo bokaone ke a leboga.
Thank you.